If you're seeing this video, I want you to know that check the views, and if this video is not yet up to more than 200, I want you to go straight to the link and sign up with this platform, because you'll be getting additional $6, maybe $6 you'll be getting for signing up with them. So this platform right here, this crypto platform, will be giving out free $6 once you sign up with them. What you just need to do is to click on the link I'll be adding to the comment section, and also the link will be added to the description where you get to see more details. And the link will bring you to this section right here, having all this on your screen. Now you can see where you need to input your email address, you input your mobile phone number. Firstly, you need to input your mobile phone number. That's the main thing you need. So your mobile phone number, inputting it, and this number in front of it is where you select the country code. And if you're from Nigeria, you need to change this to +234. So once you input your mobile phone number, you click on send verification code, and immediately you click on it, a code will be sent to you by message or through your WhatsApp if you actually use the number to register for WhatsApp. So a code will be sent to you, and you input the code into this box in front right here. So after doing that, the next thing we need to do is to create the password. And once you create the password, you need to confirm it by inputting it once again into the box beneath it. So you click on this box right here to complete this cloud filler. So once you choose success, all you just need to do is to click on register, and clicking on register will take you to the main site where you get to see more details about the site. And the main thing you need to do is very easy to get the $6 worth of FSN coin. The $6 worth of FSN coin. All you just need to do is to sign up, log into the site and click on sign up. That's all you need to do on the daily. So right here, there's no need to deposit any of your funds. You just need to log in and sign up on the daily. So I've just been verified, and I need to log in back with the details which I just created. So in this box, you need to put in your mobile phone number which you used in registering and the password which you created. So once you click put in the details, you click on verify you are a human. Once you do that, you click on login. Okay, clicking on login, that should take you into the site. So once you log into the site, I'll show you the very important section which you need to go to. So logging into the site, you can see details like this: personal center, sports account. You can see every details. But the main place we need to first go to is the personal center, where we'll be getting details of our UID. You can see every details of the level which I am right now. So you can see this gem section, this section that says gem. So you click on sign in. Once you do that, click on sign in. You can see it just finished loading, and I've been credited. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see a section that shows the rewarded 500 EFN coin, which is worth $6 of recent. Now you can see right here, if you come back to this menu, click on the menu and come back to sports account. Now you can see the $6 already in the account. If you're actually registering with the link which I'll be dropping, you'll be getting another additional $6, and this $6 right here will be able to withdraw it. Once you actually complete daily signing, 10 daily signing, you'll be able to place withdrawal of that $6 right there. So coming back to the main menu, I'm actually trying to change this to desktop mode so you can actually see a clear details of what the site is all about. Section right here is where you actually place withdraw. You can just click on it right here and see it right here. The actual amount, the minimum amount you need to withdraw is just 11 USDT. And you can see you put the withdrawal address, the crypto address, and right here you just click on confirm. So once you're done with this sign up, or you're done with this sign up, just leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll show you the next step on how to go about it. So we're actually going to proceed when we get the first 100 people to sign up. Also, you can actually get more referrals, more reward. Once you come to this section that shows invite reward, invitation reward, you can see right here. You can just copy your link and actually share with your friends, share with them, and also you get rewarded with additional USDT to that first 6 USDT you'll be getting. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and turn on your notification so that you won't miss out anytime I drop updates like this. Have a nice day, guys.